Alright, take two, and hopefully this is actually in landscape mode this time. So we're going to be doing a video on the furnace pipes outside. See, it's a little colder. Thankfully this time I don't have much. I can waste a little more time. I mean, waste a little less time. This light off here so it's not blindingly obvious of what I'm doing. It's the light for the camera. A new tripod that we'll be using for this video. This is all so tiring. I gotta flip the camera around on the tripod. This is the tripod, by the way. It works, though. May not be the new latest and greatest technology, but it works. So there's the pipes. Set the camera right here. And open. Cars right now just interrupted the whole recording. And if that happens, if that really would happen, I'm gonna be so pissed. Excuse the language, but this is just so frustrating for me because the last take was a 14-minute video. I don't know if you can tell, it's like very, very, very slowly getting faster. Eventually, it'll ramp up. I thought we were gonna catch it on video, but it's my favorite vent over there. It's the most powerful and the warmest. The heater here actually gets really warm. Take you around the vents upstairs since I took you around the vents downstairs before. Oh, it smells so bad. My little baby sister has been puking. can hear the pipes from up here. They're pretty loud. And then the one in here, which is the exact opposite of the one in the front room. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.